It is the next day of not doing the room tour, but we got to get to Stelvio Pass. We are ready, fit, check, and yeah, it's time to leave. About a 9.5 hour drive. Probably gonna stop along the route. I need to use my gimbal, get the nice crispy shots. I'm hoping it's not gonna be cold, but apparently there's 12 degrees at Stelvio Pass, which is warm enough, but we will see when we get there. It is time for a monster check. Now, we ran out of our monsters that we brought over, so I stopped by to get the Monster Rio Punch. Now, I had this before, and I know it's not the zero sugar one, but there was no other one. Well, there was one. There was the apple one, but the apple one kind of weird in the morning. So, cold can of Monster in the morning. Well, in the morning, 25 past 11. Tastes pretty good. Monster review.
Wow.
Good? Bad?
Very good.
Very good. Yes. Monster check has been checked. 2 more hours till the Stelvio Pass, jamming out to Britney Spears' Criminal. You know what's up. But for some reasons, there are so many, like, I don't know, flies, mosquitoes, they just fly into the windshield and they don't splash. They just kind of bounce out. I'm not sure what the insects in Italy are made of, but they are pretty tough. The views. You already know about the views. It's just so extra chill. 17.5 degrees. S65. What a vibe. We're still en route to Stelvio Pass, but I saw a route that looked like a mini Stelvio Pass and we decided to take it. So there was a POV drive I was filming. You can probably see it. I might put a clip or two in this video, but the views, it is so chill. Those views though, yes, much better. So, since we're here, we might as well take some photos and maybe take out the gimbal. Car's a bit dirty, but no big deal, just a bunch of flies. What a drive. M3. It's not looking too dirty, but anyways, yes, the views also. Ferrari. But anyway, we're gonna take some pictures. We are going to take some cinematic shots finally, but the Ferrari, I wouldn't mind it, but wouldn't trade it for the M3. Yes? Ferrari or M3?
Hmm. M3.
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 M3. I've recorded a few beauty clips for the video and some stuff for reels and shorts. Now we want to go have some food, go to the toilet, but we're still here. It's been like an hour and we just can't get enough of this view. Now, we've seen a few Porsches, we've seen Ferraris. I'm waiting for an Aventador. I just hope to see an Aventador. Not sure if it's gonna happen, but I'm hopeful. But that's okay because we're going to see an Aventador tomorrow. We're on the way back to the car. We had some, there's an alarm, kind of sus. We had some nice Nutella tart. We had hot chocolate. And now we still have a good bit of Stelvio Pass behind us. Now, to use a GoPro or to use a DJI Osmo Pocket 3. We will see. Classics behind us. Whatever they are, very nice. Now off to the top of Lake Garda, and we're gonna drive down on the left side of Lake Garda, but also we need to hit the rest of Stelvio Pass. Just done the actual Stelvio Pass and my brakes, my rotors absolutely hate me. Come closer and listen to the brakes. There's metal ticking. The dust on this is absolutely wild. Brake dust. I still have a bunch of brake pads, but I think that the rotors need changing. There's a bit of a lip on them now. What else? This was like this before. The lip, come to the lip. You probably won't see, but you have to trust me that right here there's a little scrapage. You probably won't be able to see right here. Stelvio pass, very fun, very tiring in a manual. You're constantly going 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 2, whatever. I'm kind of tired, I'm not gonna lie, because we've been driving up here for about 4 hours. Then we obviously drove around, we took some photos. Oh, look at the views! That way. Yeah, so we were basically driving around, and then we drove some more around, and then we took photos, and then we took videos, and then we drove some more around, and now we're here. Do you like this trip? Yes? Yes? Are we going to visit again?
Definitely.
Definitely. In a Porsche 911?
Yeah.
Aventador? We're currently stuck in traffic. There's traffic. I need to go to the toilet. I wanted to have a KFC, an Italian KFC, but KFC closes at the exact same time as we are going to reach KFC. Not good. I'm hungry. I'm debating to just go out and grab whatever is in the back because I'm starving. We'll probably end up getting a pizza. What do you want? Pizza? Pizza. Yeah, we're gonna go grab a pizza.